To update your Apple Watch SE, third generation, to watchOS 12.1, start by ensuring your watch is paired with an iPhone running iOS 17 or later. The watch should be at least 50% charged and connected to Wi-Fi for the fastest update. These prerequisites ensure a smooth update process. You can update through the Watch app on your iPhone. Open the app, go to My Watch, then General, and select Software Update to download and install. Alternatively, update directly on the watch. Go to Settings, select General, then Software Update, and proceed with the download. Updates are incremental and won't erase your data. Cellular-enabled models can update via LTE, but Wi-Fi is faster. If an update gets stuck, force restart the watch by holding the side button and digital crown until the Apple logo appears. Verifying your Apple Watch SE 3rd Gen software version is easy. On your watch, go to Settings, General, About Version to see your current watchOS version. You can also find this info in the Watch app on your iPhone under My Watch, General, About. Keeping your watch updated is crucial for security, with recent updates patching vulnerabilities like Bluetooth exploits. Expect future watchOS updates, like watchOS 13 coming in Q4 2025, to focus on AI-driven health features and deeper integration with iOS 19, potentially extending your device's lifespan. Stay proactive with updates. Experts praise the SE3's reliability, ensuring you get the most out of your Apple Watch. Regular updates also mean improvements to features you use every day, like Apple Pay and fitness tracking, and new features that enhance your watch experience.